Hello.
Yes, yes, you are audible. Speak loudly.
Yeah.
I'm audible to you.
Yeah, you're perfectly audible to me.
Yes. So I said after a long time we connected today.
Yeah. It's been a while. We haven't seen each
So
other's face for a very long time. Yeah, you're looking
so
handsome today.
I'm handsome, yeah, since childhood, not today. So how about your YouTube channel?
It's going. I am not uploading videos, as often as possible because recently, not recently, 8 months ago, I have started my online spoken English classes. So I'm kind of indulging myself in sessions, right? So there
So
are
how
only
many
few times.
students do you have?
Currently, I have six students because it is an individual session, right? One-on-one session. I'm able to give one
Six
hour to
students.
individual. Yeah, six students because it's an individual sessions, right?
It's an individual session. Okay, got it.
Mm.
So how much do you charge?
Yeah, that's very interesting question. I will let you know in another conversation.
Okay, you will let me know in another conversation. Not an issue, it's fine.
Huh.
Yes. Because of
Okay,
one of my friends, he has 35 students.
35 students. Okay, so I think it
65, 65, sorry,
uh,
65 students.
65
Same
students. Okay,
question I asked him, how much do you charge? He said, not too much. Because one day I'll let you know.
I think he's running, join classes, right? Group sessions.
Yes, join classes, yes.
Is it
He teaches
offline or
offline.
online? Is it offline or online?
Offline.
Offline.
It's offline.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, got your point.
Yeah.
Your question, what do I do my whole day?
Whole day, yes. What do you do throughout the day?
I have three sessions in the morning time. Okay, so my mornings are quite occupied with the sessions, and each session lasts for 1 hour. So yeah,
Okay.
it's bit difficult. That I believe.
Hmm.
Yeah.
So do you do any kind of farming or agriculture work at village?
No,
Apart from it?
no. My
No.
parents they will do, but I'm not one of that guy who going to spend my entire life in agriculture stuff. Okay, it
Not
depends.
entire life. Sometimes, no?
No, I'm not interested into it at all. Like sometimes, like to help them, I will go and run errands, but it is not my cup of tea.
Okay, it's not cup of tea for you, but I do it. That's why I asked you.
Good
Not
for
an
you.
issue.
I'm not judging people, okay? Like people have their own interests.
Yes, yes. Everyone has their own interest, excitement.
Yeah.
If you're not interested, so it's okay.
So let me ask one question. Think about it and give me the answer. How was your 2025 in terms of productivity, in terms of learning, in terms of finance?
In 2025, it was quite challenging. I learned numerous things in 2025.
Mm-hmm.
The first thing is that I started my work in 2025, learned numerous things about medical field.
Mm-hmm.
Moreover, I fought with someone else, so that's why I got bail from High Court.
Mm-hmm.
It was my biggest learning, right?
Okay.
Yes. And
So
third thing about me in 2025, I learned about the value of money. When
value
I
of money.
started to work,
Mhm.
so I value and respect money a lot. I don't spend money for just unnecessary.
Okay.
Yeah.
So where are you
Yeah.
working right now? Is
Yes,
that your own shop?
yes,
Your work there?
it's my own shop, man.
Could you show me a little bit? Okay, it's a medical shop. Okay.
Well, as well as clinic we have. There are
Um,
doctors sit here.
mm-hmm. Okay. So how long have you been running this shop?
I've been running it for more than 10 months.
Wow, 10 months. Okay. How is business is going on? Everything is all right?
Everything is all right. By the grace of God, every day I'm able to make sometimes 1500, sometimes 2000, sometimes 2000 plus. Yeah.
That is good. That's good. Business means like bunch of opportunities, right? You never know
Yes,
what will
you are
happen.
right.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Actually, I wanted to start a YouTube channel. Thereafter, thought that no, man, I should start first of all work. First of all, I had to start to make money.
Mm-hmm.
Thereafter, later, I'll think about it, right?
Okay.
Because making money on YouTube it takes more time.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so that's why.
YouTube is quite challenging these days because of lots of competition, and depends on which sort of videos you're going to make, which sort of
Ah,
which sort of niche you're going to have on YouTube. It's very competitive these days because I have remember that I used to get a very good amount of views, but once you stopped making videos, your audience will transfer to other another YouTubers. So it could be
Yes,
very
absolutely
challenging.
right.
Yeah.
So that's why I didn't start my YouTube channel. I had planned to start a year ago. Thereafter, I thought, no, man,
Instead of focusing on
nowadays,
your business, yeah. Instead of
yes,
focusing on
I
this
focus on my this work, not on YouTube.
business. Okay. So how is the learning is going on these days?
English practice
Yeah, yeah.
is not going on very well, brother.
What happened?
Because once in a blue moon, I talk to someone else. I don't know why I have less interest to talk to strangers.
Oh, what happened?
Yes, earlier I used to practice more and more, but nowadays I think sometimes it
Mhm.
is not kind of ego I have. I think that only 15 minutes are enough for me to do practice each and
15
every day.
minutes. But from my point of view, 50 minutes is not good at all.
Yes, I know it's not good at all, but earlier, no, I have given lots of time. That's why.
But we don't have to compare, our earlier time. We have to always think about present, what we are doing in the present.
Yes, I think about present. I am just talking about is speaking, right? 15 minutes. Apart from it, I listen and I read books, enhance my vocab a little bit.
Mhm.
So overall, I can say that 2 hours.
2 hours. Good for you.
Yes.
Yeah. Try your
Hmm.
best. These days, my language learning is accelerating, going very
Yes,
fast
got it.
because I have
Uh,
talked to my students for 4 to 5 hours on a daily basis. Apart from that, I indulge myself in reading books. I have started
okay.
reading bunch of books. The hobby I started 10 months ago, and still I'm being consistent reading 5-10 pages on a single daily basis. So 9 to 10 books I have completed in this nine
9
to
to
ten
10
months.
books.
Yeah. So I'm very happy that
Good.
something I've started and still I'm continuing, sustaining this habit. I love it.
Okay, you love it. How old are you? 27,
Yeah, something like that.
if I'm not wrong. 27 or 28. I
Mhm.
still remember when I connected with you first time you said that
But we had,
I'm
I
a
think,
good
an
friend.
audio conversation, right? Not video conversation. Did,
Pardon me?
but at that time, we had only audio conversation, right? Not video conversation.
Oh, as well as we talked on video call, man. I still
Oh,
remember.
okay, okay.
Because earlier we used to go for long walk, right?
Mm.
Especially at evening time.
Hmm.
So I still remember I connected to you for video call.
Okay.
Yes. So you are at village?
Yes, my village, and there is a wedding is going on. My uncle's son's about to get married today. Okay,
How about you? When will you get married?
that's a big question. I'm not
Yes.
financial independence. Okay, I don't want this kind of burden. Especially, I don't have money in my
Okay.
pocket.
Would you like to get married with foreigners?
I love it. Yeah.
You love it. And find someone else get married, man.
Your question was like, would you like to get married to any foreigners? Right. I like it. See,
Mm.
my first goal is these days, I want to run my spoken English classes as smoothly as possible, as gracefully as possible, as lucrative as possible. So I'm going to get some money from it because they still have a bunch of expenses, and I have to take care of the expenses as well, right? So if you have anybody who wants to enroll online spoken English classes, so please recommend them my number. I would really appreciate that.
Yes, why not? Absolutely, I will do it.
Yeah.
I'm glad to do it.
Hmm. So,
Yes,
describe your daily routine. Like, how do you start your day?
you're talking about me.
Yeah, how do you start your day? And how do you end your day?
Actually, the thing is that I stay here around 13 hours
30
each and
now.
every day, right?
Oh.
13 hours. Yes, absolutely, you're right. So every day I wake up at 6:30, thereafter complete my duty work
Mm.
and go for having bath in agriculture, right? In borewells. Thereafter come back home around 7:30.
Uh-huh.
After preparing myself, I come here around 8:30.
Yeah, absolutely.
Thereafter go home at 9 o'clock.
Mm-hmm.
Most of the time I am here. Thereafter have dinner and eat the shake.
Mm-hmm.
That's my routine. I don't spend my time with my friends or colleagues or girls.
Are you married yet?
Huh?
Are you married yet?
I am single man, not married. I am unmarried. Yeah.
Okay. Just asking question
Yes.
because you asked me the question. You know. So in which year? I mean, how many long do you take? How much long do you take to get married?
It will take around 3 years
Yes, okay.
because right now I want to stand in my own leg. It means I want to be dependent financially, right?
Mm,
Independent, I consider financially. Thereafter, get
married
married.
person. You want to
When
become
I
select
will
man.
start to make 1.5 lakhs per month. Thereafter, get married. Not now.
Wow, that's a great goal, honest goal.
Yes.
In this era, 1.5 lakhs rupees, 2 lakhs rupees, 3 lakh rupees, if you earn, so you're going to have very less financial tension, right? So you will.
So that's
Okay.
why, man, because I have so many plans, strategy to do something for my future.
Mhm.
So I think about marriage, that it's kind of trap. Once I get married, thereafter, no, I will have limitation.
Okay.
I'll not work as I want. Right now, I'm able to work 13 hours. And I think after getting married, I'll be able to work only 8 or 9 hours
Hmm.
because of family issue, because of family members, right? Especially kids, my wife. I'll talk to you later. I have
Okay.
urgent work.
Bye.